Hey guys, I'm Jared Christie, Content Manager for Polaris Adventures, and today I'm in Cross Lake, Minnesota. Cross Lake is home to dozens of lakes, but hiding between those lakes are trails you may not know about, but we're going to tell you where to find them.
We're in Cross Lake, Minnesota, basically smack dab dead center of Minnesota. We are about 3.5 hours from Minneapolis. If you drive down the main Route 66, you're going to see us. If you don't, there's an issue. We got big signs out front. We got 5 beautiful brand new Razors sitting right on the side of the road. There's no one in the area at all that does it or offers it. There's trails all over the place. Most of our customers go to Emily, Minnesota, which is about anywhere from a 40-minute ride to about an hour ride, depending on how you're driving and which trail you decide to go.
Run the Minnesota ATV Riders, which is the largest ATV and UTV side-by-side Facebook page in Minnesota and one of the largest in the Midwest. Never in a million years would have thought 36,000 members, so it's been a ride. We're kind of right on the southern edge of pretty much limitless riding. We've rode from this area all the way up to the Canadian border. We're up at this little pristine lake called Stewart Lake. Just out in the middle of the woods, out enjoying the nice fall colors, beautiful weather. And
private, 100% private. You would, yeah, like I said, you would never even know this exists, and it's not like people can go out and talk about it because there's not another house on the lake at all.
You know, now that Seabergs has partnered with Polaris Adventures, it's a great resource. You know, we know that we can send people there and they're going to have quality machines and quality riding.
Everyone you talk to wants to adventure out of Cross Lake. They want to go see what's out there, out in the wilderness.
There's so much to do between not just the four-wheeling, but boating and the restaurants, golfing. I mean, you name it, Cross Lake it's a great place for the weekend. It's Minnesota's riding at its best.